Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to blur faces in Capcut in your specific video. So I chose this video where I will try to blur the face of this person. Now, first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on this video and scroll down. Scroll to the right until you see duplicate. Then duplicate this. Now you need to put this like an overlay. So you want to click overlay, and now you want to hold this overlay video and drag it to the front and to match basically the first video. So that's that. Now, after this, you want to add a blur effect. So you want to go ahead and exit that editing option. Now you will see there is effects. So you want to click on effects, video effects, and just search for blur. Let's search for it, and now let's try to find the blur effect. And here it is, blur effect. So we're gonna choose this one. Let's choose this one and click adjust right away and do the 100. Now we're gonna click that check mark and you're gonna drag it through the whole video until the end of the video, like that. And now you're gonna choose object, because as you can see there's no blur, so you're gonna choose object and just click overlay. Now when you have exited the video effects right there at the left corner, just exit them. And now you want to basically just click overlay, this one, so we could see this overlay video. And now you're gonna choose this overlay video at the bottom, and you're gonna find the effect which is called mask. You're gonna choose that. You're gonna choose circle, and now as you can see you can actually do this circle effect. So now, as you can see, it has some framing around it, like black framing. So you want to drag this bottom arrow like this, and basically do something like that. Then you can resize it if you want to, so it would match the face. And let's leave it like that. Now you're gonna click the check mark. And now if you play the video, it doesn't move with the face, as you can see. So we will need to add key points. So first of all, you want to go ahead and find in the clip where in the video that face is starting. So in this video specifically, the face is at the start. So we actually need to blur this face from the start. So you're going to click mask again, and you're going to drag it right here. And now what you want to do is actually to add a key point. So you're just going to click that rhomb plus sign right here, and basically go through a whole video and follow the face. Follow the face like that. Basically, you need to act slowly and add the key points to the whole video, basically through the whole video. Every single time you move the circle, it basically adds a key point. Of course, you may want to do a smaller circle, but that's basically it, guys. That's how you do this. Now you're gonna click the this arrow and save it. And as you can see, of course, I may not have done the good job, but it works. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. This is how you blur a face on CapCut on iPhone or on any other phone. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.